Meaning of fundamental.
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 Fundamental. The term fundamental refers to something that is essential or basic to the nature of a particular thing or system. It can also denote a principle or concept that serves as the basis for further development or understanding. For example, in music, the fundamental frequency is the lowest pitch of a sound, while in physics, fundamental particles are those that cannot be broken down into smaller components. Essentially, the concept of fundamental speaks to the foundational aspects of various fields or disciplines, and serves as a key starting point for deeper exploration and knowledge building.